Got it. I feel like this. I'm not at the very end. I'm still, like I said, I still got like 20 minutes. But I feel like this is redemption for all the like, not all, but a good amount of the bad Marvel presentations as of late. It's interesting. Okay. Mm-hmm. Ten of you guys. 11. Okay. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Start the broadcast. And actually, I need to log in here. Let me just start over. Let's find this. Here. Allow. Mm-hmm. 4 courses. Come on. And this course right here. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. Let me hop here. That is correct. Let's do, we can do some no copyright. I'm gonna do it live. Let's try this live Japanese one. All right, we're just gonna let that. Let me see. Let's minimize that. Okay. All right, gentlemen. Let's see. All right, so let's see as far as announcements go. So, we finished the last of the new content on Monday. So today we're going to do as many of the corresponding homeworks for section 6.4, system of linear equations in two variables. Next week, we will meet on Monday, and we're not going to meet on Wednesday. All right, I think the school officially closes at noon on Wednesday. So we'll meet Monday, then we'll break for the Thanksgiving holiday. And then when we return, we meet on that Monday and Wednesday. That Wednesday, I think it's like the 29th, is the last time that we'll meet. Right now, I haven't gotten any update as far as the final, so you can just anticipate the final to be basically run the way we've done exams 1, 2, and 3, where it'll be remote. More than likely, I'll make it available starting that Sunday, going into the week of finals. But the hard deadline, you'll have access to it for about 5 days. Then the hard deadline for everything, including the final, is going to be that Friday, December 8th at 11:59 p.m. Okay. But right now, again, you can anticipate it being remote, unlimited attempts, just like everything. And again, the hard deadline for all assignments is going to be that Friday, December 8th. Idealistically, you want it so that when you submit your final, that's the last thing you can do. So when you submit your final, you're done, right? You don't want to submit the final and be trying to work on other stuff, right? As usual, if you have questions, feel free to unmute yourself to get my attention. Or if you would email me and if I haven't replied, just get my attention. Just give me attention before we leave class today, and we can I can do a private room. We can talk about whatever we need to talk about. But yeah, anything is possible. I mean, unlimited attempts on all assignments. There's no more than a 10% late penalty, so you can still earn an A- on any assignment. And so again, for today, let's see how many points we can get out to people, right? I'm trying to get as many extra credit points out to people as I can, and it really just kind of depends on you all. We were definitely able to get some points out this morning.
Yeah, but not today.
Let me see. Let me hop here because I think I forgot to do that update. I'll just do that later. Did I give him his points? Let me see, because if he was the high, if he was the second high, yeah, I just have to update that later. I just got to remember to do it. Let me see. Do I have a code here already, or did I just do it manually? I think I did it manually. Okay, that's fine. So I'll write a code. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Let's see. Hey, Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23. Two. So I don't know what's going on, but there is a black cat that's like circling my house. Every time out of the corner of my eye, I see him just saunter past the window. And I'm like, why do you keep crossing my path? I don't believe in black cats as bad luck. I mean, I also don't think 13 is an unlucky number either. I'm just curious. It's like all of a sudden, this guy keeps passing through the window. Okay. So here it says determine which order pairs or solutions, right? So I'll give you a couple of minutes. Let me go ahead and start the poll. This is actually a good one. So I guess I can go, let's go like this. Let me see, how did that look? I guess that's okay. So if I go here, if I go to polls, the general multiple choice launch, okay. So hopefully you screenshotted this by now. Let me start my timer. I'll give you like 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes is long enough for this one. Minutes, go. Okay. So it's this, and I'm gonna just start a little music. Let's take a couple of minutes. You already got a vote. Now you could follow along and choose theirs, or go your own way. Ooh, getting different answers. Okay. Another minute. Take another minute. Interesting. Thirty seconds. And 9, 7. Okay, stop it. The timer with the music is attached. I'm struggling. Okay, so let me stop this music. Okay. Hopefully there should be no copyright. Okay, let me close this poll. Okay. So let me do this. I'm gonna hop over to Desmos. All right. I know a lot of Desmos, and I'm gonna break it off. Yeah, I just want like that. Okay, I can suppress it for now. Go back here. Okay. All right. So if we're working in Desmos, I'm gonna hit graphing calculator. And I think we did one like this in class together, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna type it as is. I'm gonna say 5x minus 3y equals 8. And this is free software that anybody can use, right? And then I'm gonna type the next one, negative 10x plus 4y equals 12, okay? So it automatically graphs them, and I'm just gonna drag and click to see what's the point of intersection. So the point I'm getting is a negative 6.8. Let me see, 5x minus 3y equals 8, negative 10x plus 4y equals 12, negative 6.8, and negative 14. And I don't think I see that one anywhere, right? So my vote for the correct solution looks like it's D, and it's like there's one. That's why I tried to warn you guys, like, don't just follow along. You should think about it, especially when there's multiple choice like this. Okay. All right, let's check that result. Okay, so let me take my notes. Let me see. Download the results. That's fine. Really? You're gonna make me log into this again? Okay. I just want to view. All right. So, all right. Let's see. So let's do this. Let me think. Let's do it like this. Okay. I need a faster way to do this. Right. Yeah. Okay. Maybe if I go like this, it might be a little bit faster. Okay. All right. Okay. And the last one is this one. Okay. Let's try again. I think we got everybody. And I just need to remember to update this for today's stuff. Okay. All right, let's try again. So we documented that. Let's close this out. Okay, I think we got that one already. Hey, Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23.
15.
Okay, let's try this one. Let me check something else real quick. Yeah, let me get these Gemini. They already missed out on a bunch of stuff. That's okay. It's not over. That's why it's important to be on time. Or early, actually. You really only have a choice of being early or late. You can't really be on time. Like the odds of you being on time are practically zero. Either you're going to be early in some form or fashion, or you're going to be late. But you showing up like right at the money, those odds are practically zero. This one. Okay. Let's let them in. Okay. Let me check it real quick. All right. I think we're good. Let me check this. Yeah, we're looking good. Okay. I think this is it. So for this one, it says solve by the elimination method. So the first one to get it in the chat, right? So that one we're looking for in the chat. I'll give you 3 minutes. You don't need 3 minutes. I'll give you 2 minutes, especially if you just use the technique I just showed. So we're going to start the timer. All right. 2 minutes. It goes to the first one to get it. Oh, you're saying infinitely many? 2, 2, 2. Wow. I mean, I could barely start the timer. Okay. All right. So there are infinitely many solutions. Okay. And you're saying, let me try that again. Come on. this one? Nope. ABC, yeah, turn this off. There we go. Okay. Let's see. So you got 1/2 minus 3/4. Let's see. Wait a minute.
Well, okay, no, I got. Wait, can I? Yeah, yeah. Okay, sorry, that's right.
1/2 minus 3/4 minus 3/4 x. Okay, let's see. So he's saying no matter what x he chooses, y takes on that form. Okay. Okay. I'll take it. Let's close this out. That was Mr. He was on the quick draw. Okay, Mr. Hey, Mr. Let me see. Right here. Okay. Okay, that was good. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hey, Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23.
Here's a random number. 7.
7. 7 heaven. Rhymes with 11. Okay, so this one we can do a poll. So this one is open to more people. I like it when we can do these guys. So let me launch the general multiple choice. There's a poll active. I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough time for this. Reset and go. Okay. So there's an active poll. Just take a couple of minutes to yourself. It's open. We got how many in the house? We got 16 in the house. We've already distributed some points. So let's see what happens. We got a nice little visual. Trying to incorporate some music, you know. Only thing that would help if I could control the volume of the music. I try to open it up in the browser, but I gotta. Got another minute. Ooh, can't be D because that's not even a choice. Somebody just do it. Just have to try again on the next one. And this section is infamous for not having many multiple choice. People are piggybacking. Ooh, let's see what happens. 40 seconds. Or 43 minutes. We have a lot of names. Need a good. 20 seconds. We got about 5, 4, 3. Okay, poll is closed. So with the previous example, we had, infinitely many solutions. You can kind of see that quickly. Like if one equation is a multiple of the other, then you have infinitely many solutions. If you have that one equation is the multiple of another, but the solution, the constant matrix on the right-hand side doesn't match, then that means no solution, right? That means you're going to have parallel lines with different slopes. So notice if we say equation 1 times 3, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times -7 is -21, but then 3 times 11 is not 22. So that means that's indicative of B. It should be B. The system is inconsistent. Okay. Okay, let me try to log this. I could screenshot it, but I don't really want to do that. That's a lot of work on the back end for me. Let me download. I just want to view. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, let me just do it now. That's a simple thing. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. Right there. Okay. You guys are not playing around. I gotta find a better way to do this. Okay. This is okay. I don't like how slow it is. How long it takes me to do it. That one is right here. I don't even think the other one is here. Yeah. Okay. Well, he's in the running. Okay. Okay. So I noticed that it did go the fastest when I like printed out a hard copy. I think I think I know what I can do. Especially if I have like a dry erase. And I'll just have to work it for next time. Okay. All right. All right. That's all I needed. Kind of need a bit of assistance. Okay. So let's close this out for right now. I'm gonna let that be. Hey Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23.
Here's a random number. 3.
3. Let me check the chat real quick. Oh, no. Yeah, that's not how you, yeah, I think you found it because that's how your name. Okay. Solve the system. I just first to give me the solution. I just want the solution. Here, we'll try to get out some multiple points. So either I'll give credit for either just giving me the solution or give me the intercepts, or give me 2 points on each line to plot. Right. So you can either just give me the solution to the system or give me 2 points on each line to plot. And put that in the chat. Why don't you put that in the chat and smoke it? Just being silly. Okay, I think that's the solution, is what he's suggesting. So we'll let that stand. I'll let that stand as the running. I still need 2 points on each line to plot to confirm. I didn't start my timer or anything. So I'll give him points if that's correct, but somebody else can get points or whoever. But I just need 2 points on each line to plot to confirm. And simple points would be like the intercepts. You know, like XP0, you get an answer. Like YB0, you get an answer. You can say like the first equation, the 2 points, second equation, 2 points. Let's clear this out. Let's do another image. Yeah, that works. Share. Okay. I'm assuming. Well, that should be this. That's the x and y intercepts for the second equation. I still need the other equation. So we got 16, 0, and then 0 and 16. That's one line. So I need one more. Okay, I got 2, 0. So let's use the line tool again. 2 zeros here. And then 0, -2 is here. Nope. Drag it. There we go. So then it looks like they cross. What is that? He said 9, 7 looks good. Okay. Okay. So let me hit save. Okay. Okay. Let me hit done. Save. Right here. This one. Okay. Sure. Let's go like this. Okay. It should be from today. Header, column, row. Yeah, why is it not freezing? I think it's just because of that. Okay, that's fine. Okay. That looks good. On to the next one. The solution was, we said, was 9, 7. Type an order pair. So parentheses 9, comma 7. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Hey, Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23.
12.
Okay. Okay. So I think this is still open to anybody, right? It's just a quick draw. We've shown at least one technique to quickly solve these guys. Okay. So I'll give you 2 minutes. Reset. Go. Okay. It's here. You can screenshot it. And I'm gonna just let some music run. We got a nice little visual, so I'll let that up. As long as I'm not covering up the equation. So they're investing by substitution. You can use whichever method is that previous. Hopefully, maybe. You did it based on. I'll accept that as correct. It's infinitely many, but I need it in terms of. So I'll go ahead and give you credit for this. If somebody else wants to do it in terms of X, or anybody wants to do it in terms of X, I'll give out points to just need it in the proper form. We still got 20 seconds. Like you did it based on Y, I need it based on. Okay. All right. So I think the points. I'm going to give it to Mr. Winston. I was trying to get points out to somebody else, whoever wanted it. So I think we already said it's infinitely many solutions, right? So then he solved for Y. All you had to do was just solve for X, right? So if we add the 4Y to both sides, it should be 4Y plus 7, right? Wait a minute.
I got.
Oh. Wait. Sorry, we needed to solve for Y, not solve for X. Yeah, we needed to solve for Y. Like if we solve for Y, 7 minus X divided by 4, right?
Yeah, I just redid it for
it's
X and for Y.
Yeah, it's okay. So we're gonna say, I was just trying to get points out to somebody else, right? They want it in terms of X, so we need to solve for Y. That way it'll be in terms of X. So then we subtract X from both sides. We're going to get 7 minus X divided by -4. And that should suffice. Right? But I will give you credit because basically what you submitted, you're saying is infinitely many solutions that take on that form. That's what you have is what you submitted is, wait a minute. Let me see, where X is a real number. 7 minus X divided by -4. Okay, the only other thing I could think is distribute that negative, right? So then if I distribute the negative up top, that's going to be X minus 7. All right, it's the same thing. It's just the form. Let me see. Yeah. All right, and so again, what Mr. Winston submitted is correct. Again, that's just in terms of Y. I did mine in terms of X. Like I said, I was trying to get points out to somebody else, but I can't make you guys do this stuff. Let me just log this. All I can do is like make it available, and then just write down what you guys do. Okay. Hey Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23.
Here's a random number. 6.
All right, let's take a look at 6. Maybe we can get some multiple choice. Okay. So I will do a poll so that way more people can get have the opportunity. Let's do a poll. Are we in sudden death? No, not yet. Relaunch. Okay. So we'll take let's do 1 minute. Take 1 minute. Start. Okay. No, is it A, B, or C? We'll take a minute. Let some music ride. Yeah. Now it looks like we lost some students, but then it's days like this, like when at the end you guys come in, was there any extra credit I could do? I was like, yeah, all those days when we were doing extra credit, you guys want to disappear and like not engage. I was like, it's over. Like I tried to make it light and simple and try to make it available as possible, but I don't know. But at the end of the semester, it's going to be fun when you get there. So that's going to be way too late trying to get extra credit. So let me see the timer. Well, we got 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let me suppress this. Okay, yeah, even if you just guess, like I feel like even guessing, you know. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and close the poll. And I am going to open up GeoGebra, right? Let me see. I know we got it here, right here. Okay. So now I'm not sorry, not GeoGebra, but Desmos. It's just easy, right? Let me see. Let me just look at the graph. Let me just look at it. So if we say 4x plus 5y equals 9, okay? And then 12x plus 15y equals 27, okay? So then let's see. Let me just change the window. Oh, it looks like one is a multiple of the other. Okay, let's see. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 9 is 27. So that means there are infinitely many solutions. And the equations are dependent. So it should be C, all right? You know? So I think we had some piggybackers, but it looks like C, right? Because one is a multiple of the other. All right, okay, so let's see. Let's go with C. So again, when one equation is a multiple of another, that means we have infinitely many solutions, you know? Yada, yada, yada. Okay, let's go with C, and let me just see who's the credit. Okay. Download. Just one of you. First two. Okay, it's kind of the same people. But again, it's still anybody's game. Okay, what's the time? All right. So for the next 10 minutes, let's go sudden death, right? So what that means is what I did earlier, I made each question worth triple, right? And this is just for the point distribution for the day. Again, first prize gets 10 extra credit points, second prize gets 5, and then participation, if you participated and you got on the scoreboard, you get like 3 points. And I'm trying to do this as many as I can each day, and I might have some other. I think I distributed points there. I might have some other opportunities as well. Maybe it just depends. It kind of depends on everything. Okay. Let's see. Hey Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23. Thank you. I was like, let's take this on.
12.
Okay, so let's do 13. Elimination method. Okay, so this one goes in the chat, right? Just take a moment to see if you can solve this. There's a couple of techniques you can use. Just take. Let me give you. I'm thinking 3 minutes. Let's take 3 minutes on this one. So we'll set the timer for 3 minutes. Go. Right, and let's let some music ride. Yeah, let's take 3 minutes. And the result, let me let him in. I think he was here. He just got booted.
Can you zoom out?
Yes. So we still got 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes to go. Let's take some time. And again, this one goes in the chat. It'd be nice if I zero. Two minutes. Was that your final answer? I'm going to say that's wrong. Let's look at the thing. It says type an order pair, use commas to separate answers as needed. $50 seconds. Okay. I think he's starting to get it now. Okay. I think he finally sees it. I think he gets it. So I think this one has like 4 solutions, right? Yeah, he started got it. Okay. It wasn't just those numbers themselves. You had to like get the signs, right? Okay. So 5,2, right? So if we say 5,2, that was Mr. 5,2, 5,2. We got time for like maybe one more. Come on. Oh, I need a comma right here. 5,2. And then let me see. We can have 2 positive or 1 negative, or both negative, right? These because of the squared, you know. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, he got it. Yeah, I'll give it to him. He caught on. I was like, the numbers are right, but the signs. I need the signs, right? Okay. We need all the solutions. Let's hit done. Okay. Yeah, I think we can still honor. Oops. Is that the right one? Yeah. I think we can still honor the sudden death for right now. Let's try to get some more points up. We're in sudden death mode. That actually becomes this. This points are worth triple right now. We still got like at least another 5 minutes. And hopefully, idealistically, we can get a multiple choice. There more people can get points, right? Hey Google, give me a random number between 1 and 23.
Here's a random number, 9.
Okay, let's take a look at 9. Okay. I'll make this a twofer. If you can get the correct multiple choice, I'll give you credit for that. And or if you do have to fill in the blank, I'll give credit for that as well. So you can get points a couple of ways. Let me relaunch. Let me relaunch the poll. Relaunch. Okay. So the multiple choice is one level, but then if it requires an actual solution, right, then that's another level. So there's 2 opportunities here. Let's take. What's the time? I'll give you. We're kind of short on time. I'll give you 3 minutes. Okay. All right. So take 3 minutes. This will be it. All right. This is one loser draw. We're still in Sunday. Points over triple. So we got one vote for multiple choice. 3 minutes is a long time. One level is the multiple choice. Another level is if that's correct, then I need the. Let me see. Hey, let me be quick. Get it. Oh, it's stalling. Because like you kind of could have like watched if we got it correct, then you already knew what the correct multiple choice was going to be. Let me try to log this and see if we can do at least one more question. Download the results. I just want to view. Okay. All right. So let me think. Okay. Who got it correct? Close that for now. Chat. That was okay. So what I'll do with that right here. Yeah, I've tried. Let's turn this up. That works a little bit better. Right here. You can change that to this. Okay. Who else? Okay. Right here. Okay, you could change that to this. Get it? Yep, okay. Let's try to do one more. Okay, and then I'll be nice. I won't do full. Let's do like this. Nope. What's the time? Yeah, I think we're out of time. Okay. All right, gentlemen. So, on file, as far as the point distribution, right? All right. So, our first runner-up for the day. Oh, it's a lot closer than I thought. Oh man, it could have been anybody's. And you guys were like dueling dragons going back and forth, right? So our first runner-up for the high score for today is Mr. Bond, right? Mr. A Bond, right? Mr. Bond, but he got first runner-up, right? So that means you earn like 5 points extra credit towards your overall grade. And then the high score goes to Mr. Winston. Right? Oh, he got the high score for today. And then participation credit, we have Mr. Zanu, Padalinghung, Hug. I'm sorry, I know I'm butchering the name. Padalinghug, Metaver, Lawrence, he got one in there. Johnson, Glover Tate, Flagger, Mr. Boyd, yeah, right. So if you heard your name, you know, I kind of described the point distribution, so I'll update that later. Yeah. So again, top prize got 10 extra credit points with the overall grade. First runner up gets 5 points, and then participation gets 3. Okay. All right, gentlemen. So we'll meet next week on Monday. Like if you join us kind of late, if you missed the morning announcement or the opening announcements, we'll meet on Monday. We're not going to meet on that Wednesday. We're going to break for the Thanksgiving break. When we come back, we only have 2 sessions remaining, right? So what we'll do, we only have at this point we only have 3 sessions remaining total. So each class will probably review for an exam, right? And by the time we finish reviewing for exam 3, we will review the whole semester, right? So Next Monday, we'll focus on content related to exam 1. The following Monday is exam 2, and then that last meeting day, which is like November 29th, we'll focus on exam 3. Are there any burning questions before we go our separate ways? Going once, going twice. Forever hold your peace and rights. Okay. If there aren't any burning questions, we're going to go ahead and end the session here. And from one beautiful mind to another, have a great weekend, guys. See you next week, same time, same place. Take care, guys. Peace.